Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Amber. So I just got home from the Love Yourself Color Music Festival, Iloilo. This is the ticket of the Love Yourself Color Music Festival, Iloilo. And we got some photo cards, freebies. We got this wristband and this shirt. Love Yourself Color Music Festival. We had games, explosion of colors. I'll just put here the fun memories that we had together with the Iloilo Army. So today also is a very extra special day for me because I already got my BTS Army Bam version 3. So I ordered this at BTS Iloilo's official Facebook page, and today I am going to unbox this BTS Army Bomb version 3. Without further ado, let's get started. I already used this during the Love Yourself Color Music Festival. So this is the classy box of the Army Bomb version 3 together with the BTS logo and then BTS official Lightstick version 3. So it is official, it is authentic, it is again legit. Yes guys. At the back, at the top of the box there's a BTS name heart. Okay, so let us open the box. This is it, pansit. Yay! So this is the Army Bomb version 3. Yes, cutie. Of course, the BTS logo. The most special part of this BTS Bomb version 3 is that Big Hit plays the logo of the armies. Oh, so sweet. There is also a strap, army strap, and then at the back of the strap, name of BTS. And I don't know what's the purpose of this one, but it says Big Hit Entertainment BTS official Lightstick made in Korea. Yes, if you can see, but I guess you cannot see it. Okay, never mind. And then some important matters. This Lightstick will not light up without the help of the AAA batteries. In order for the Lightstick to light, you'll need 3 pieces of AAA batteries. We are going to on this Lightstick. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, so pretty! So beautiful, so lovely, so gorgeous. This is the on button, and when you press this one, the light style will change, blinking. And then the third is times 2 na blinking, and then the fourth lighting style is fast blinking of the Army Bomb version 3. And also, this Army Bomb has a special feature, and we will see what is that new feature that Big Hit made for this Army Bomb. Big Hit, I love you. Sarangyo. Isa pa siya gali guys, oh. May pa slow-mo. May slow motion part. Pagali guys. For you to know the special features of this Army Bomb, you need to download the app of BTS official Lightstick. I'll put the name of the app on the description box below, so check it out, guys. So this is how the app looks like. Yes, you need to push the button of the switch of the light stick downwards in order for you to on the Bluetooth mode. Yes, you will see if the Bluetooth is already turned on when the color of the army bomb turns into blue, I guess. After you on the Bluetooth in the army bomb version 3, press self mode in the app and then please choose your color. So again, the special feature of this army bomb is you'll get to pick what color you like so that the army bomb will change its color. Isn't that cute? Diba? Blue, purple, I purple you BTS, pink, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, dark blue, oh, white, red. In the app, you will also see concert mode. You will use this if ever you will attend concerts. Let us move on to the items inside the box. And yes, there's some stuff inside the box, and let us see. Oh, there's photo cards. There's official photo cards. Let's open this. Cutie! Oh my god! Oh my god! Naman, may pa-reward points. Si Mom's Big Hit. I love Big Hit, yes. Kim Namjoon. Min Yoongi. Kim Seokjin. Jung Ho-seok. Oh. Park Jaemin. Kim Taehyung. Jungkook. Oh my god. BTS! Cute. Another is the pouch of the army bomb version 3. So this is how it looks like, the pouch of the army bomb version 3, and you will put it inside in order to assure that your army bomb is going to be safe. Yes. So, and of course, the manual guide. It has Korean instructions, English instructions, Japanese instructions, and Chinese instructions. There's nothing more inside the box. And let us get again the army band. Yes, and we will play some songs and you will sing along. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ho-seok, Park Jaemin, Kim Taehyung, Jungkook, BTS. Take my hands up, you are the cause of my euphoria. You show me I have reasons I should love myself. Oh, so show me, I'll show you, show you, show you. So now I will give my thoughts about this Army Bomb Lightstick version 3. So far, it is worth it. Medyo pricey ng slight, but when you receive it, your efforts and ipon moments will be paid off. If I rate this Army Bomb version 3 from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 10 because it is really nice, it is beautiful, it is elegant, it is gorgeous. It is my everything. And by the way, this is my birthday gift for myself. And I am so thankful. And of course, to you armies out there who doesn't still have their army bombs, trust in yourself because you will really have this army bomb version 3 someday. Maybe not today, but someday. Ipon lang guys. Kaya nyo yan. Fighting! That's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down to my channel. See you! Thank you for watching! Mwah! Sarange! Bye-bye!